Hi, my name is Hector Acuna, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this custom canvas wrapped plywood panel for a future oil painting. This is 8 inches by 32 inches wide. It's a canvas that I'll most likely use for a plein air painting, which is why it has a hard plywood surface or cradled board that the canvas is wrapped around. That doesn't mean you have to use this design or this style of stretched canvas for plein air painting. You can use it for studio paintings or any other form of painting. And this one that I'm holding is primed with a few different materials, but the final layer is an oil ground, which is suitable for oil painting. And that being said, you don't have to go with that last step. You can stop the process right before if you want to work with acrylic paint or a different kind of paint. I hope that this video is useful for you if you are planning to make your own custom panels, or if you would just like to learn how I like to make mine. All of that information is in this video. Let me know if you have any questions and enjoy the video. So that wraps up the video, and thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a thumbs up. If you'd like to view more of my artwork, visit my website, acunhaarts.com. That's in my profile on my channel. And if you want to follow my journey as an artist on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I think that's it. So have a nice day, and thanks for watching.